Morning students, today we are going to start our third chapter of practice book, the compound sentence. In the previous chapter we have already discussed about the sentence. In this video we will discuss about the simple sentence and the compound sentence. So let us start with simple sentences. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. It contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. For example, Scott plays soccer in the morning. In this sentence, Scott is subject, plays is verb. So there is one subject and one verb, so it is a simple sentence. Let us take one more example. Birds wash themselves in our bird bath. In this sentence, birds is subject, washes verb, so it is also a simple sentence. Tom can read chapter books. Tom is subject, read is verb, and it is making a complete sense, so it is a simple sentence. Now let us move to the compound sentences. A compound sentence contains two independent clauses. As I already told you, simple sentences are also independent clauses. They are joined by a coordinating conjunction. Like, Scott was playing soccer, so Mary went to the beach. Scott was playing soccer, it is a simple sentence and it is an independent clause. Mary went to the beach, it is also simple sentence, that means independent clause, and these two independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions. So this is a compound sentence. Now let us know something about the coordinating conjunction. You have to remember the word fanboys. This word is used for coordinating conjunction. In this, F stands for for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. These are coordinating conjunction. Now let us take some examples. Jake drove the car and Mary read the map. Now Jake drove the car, it is simple sentence, independent clause. Mary read the map, it is also independent clause, and these two independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction and, so it is a compound sentence. Let us take one more example. I would like to go to the football game, but I don't have a ticket. Now in this sentence, I would like to go to the football game. It is a simple sentence, that means independent clause. I don't have a ticket. It is also independent clause, and these two independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction but, so it is also a compound sentence. And in this sentence you can note that before the coordinating conjunction we use comma. Okay, comma is used before coordinating conjunction. That's all about the compound sentences.